All right, today I have here the West Slope Slim Backpack. Keep in mind, at the time of this recording, there are two backpack sizes. This is the smaller one, called the Slim. Alright, so on the front here, we have this compartment with two zippers. It is one compartment that can be accessed from either side. So just make sure you don't have both of them unzipped. Otherwise, you could definitely run into a situation. It is pretty roomy. You can see that my whole hand fits inside of here. And then here in the front is their signature Velcro snap. This is where the phone goes. Tight Velcro. Alright, so on the inside is this slot where you can put your phone in. I'm not going to open that up, but you slide your phone in. There is a piece of foam that can be removed depending on the size of your phone, because you do want to align your phone camera to show up in this box. And then we have here a little sliding magnetic closure. So if you're recording, put it down. For anything else, you can leave it up with that nice logo there. Over here we do have a zippered pocket as well for small things like lip gloss or, I don't know, contact lenses or something. Ibuprofen. And then here we have a couple of loops where you could put like a walkie-talkie or a speaker or keys, whatever you can put on a carabiner. Alright, and then flipping it over, you can see here that the left side has this buckle to keep it stable around you. It is adjustable. And then on the right side, we have more of this same stretchy material for a comfortable fit. And then up here, we have the back pocket, which is designed to hold extra clothes or whatever, or a bladder if you choose to put one there. I did grab a small bladder just in case, to see if it would fit. This is a 1 liter bladder. And you can see that it fits very nicely inside of there. It's probably the perfect size, actually. 1 liter bladder for this. And then it does have these straps that will let you feed the tube over to the front so that you don't have to reach for it when you're writing. Yeah, I guess because of the pocket, the strap is only on this side, so if you're facing front, it would be ideal to have the straw on the right side. Alright, that is the unboxing of the West Slope Slim Backpack, and I'm looking forward to using it on the slopes.